Today I'm so excited because I'm gonna be climbing the mountain that is famous to see Mount Fuji. It's called Iwadano-san. I'm so excited. Actually, I'm gonna go there by train from Shinjuku to Otsuki. It's not that long, so let's get going. Itadakimasu. Mount Fuji.
Otsuki でございます。
Fuji Railway. And so we're in Otsuki station. It's you can go to Fuji here or Kawaguchiko. Well, so many things around Fuji to see. Kind of excited. There are actually many places. Rich scenic spot, history museum, Monte Iwadono. That's where we go. Tiny place, but there is even tourist information center. Mount Iwadono-san is 634 meters high. Can you imagine? That's actually the same as Tokyo Skytree. Funny, huh? Yes, here we are, the first views of Fuji-san. Let's get going. This is not too high, and even beginners or people like me, out of practice, could and should challenge it. Beginner hiker. Going to Mount Iwadono-san. And yes, finally our first signs of autumn. Look at this red maple tree. It's amazing. Going down?
We're going back this way, just the photo spot.
Yes, it's windy autumn day and this is the Fuji-san. I wonder what city it is. Okay, we finally on the summit. Made it look so beautiful, but it seems that no more Fuji-san views today. I feel so a little bit disappointed, but I guess the views are still great and I had a great hiking company. And guess what? Can you see how windy it is? So the trip was still worth it and amazing. Maybe next time we're gonna have a better luck with Fuji-san. And here we are. The favorite thing about hiking is the views from the top and eating my Japanese delicious bento. Eating a bento or any food in the Japanese mountains on the peak of the mountain is actually a pretty special experience. Even the most simple dish can become extra delicious. Hiking in Japan means you greet everyone who you meet on the mountain. Sometimes you have a chat, or even like this time, we even ended up taking photos together. So we actually went on the climbing course, but there was small forest. But this is the easy part?
This is
the easier part of the steep one. Okay. And yes, this is the part with the fixed chains. It is not the beginners, it's probably the intermediate level, but
I guess a big deal is
I am very much a beginner, and my group, mostly everyone, is still beginner, and we were good. As long as you have some support, I would say go for it, challenge it, and you will have a better story to tell. For those looking for something more, this hike can be extended to nearby Chigootoshi and mountain Tenjin. If you want to use public transportation, you have 2-3 hours for a hike. You're beginner to intermediate, and you want to have a very easy access from the station by walk. Mountain Iwadona is definitely something I could recommend. You can track Mountain Fuji visible days, and then you will get even more amazing value with panoramic Fuji views from the top.
I know this front pressure.
So we finally came down. It was kind of hard, beginner, intermediate, but it feels so good. It feels amazing. Imagine working from home, remote work in here.